Hi everyone, in this project we see how a code will detect a fire, and you can use this code for fire alarming without any sensor by using monitoring camera, CCTV cameras. And when you download this code, you just run this file fire detector.py, and after running you will get this pop-up window where you can use either your stored video or you can use your webcam. So I use this webcam option, and in this webcam option this window appears, and now I check whether this project worked properly. So there is a sound as well, and with this sound, this fire alarm is alarming that some fire is going on. I show you one more time, like this. So hope you can use this project in your CCTV and other alarming system, and this does not got any kind of sensor and other thing. And same project will be able to detect fire in video as well. So to get this project, you just need to download the code, and the code link is given in description part of video. Thanks for watching.